because the Speaker of the Senate, he was a chair of the bicameral legislature. David Mark was his name. And I find that personally, because of what you said, the oversight role of the Senate, even in our country, seems to be more defined as presently constituted than, forgive me, Majority Leader and Minority Leader, the National Assembly, than it is in the case of the National Assembly. What would be your view? Wouldn't we probably just be candid about this? As you've been candid about the funds, you don't like them, and it is very, very clear. That's my number one comment. The next one is, it has to do with rights. I'm sure you are a preeminent lawyer, human rights, I'm sure is also within your province, constitutional law notwithstanding. If you give a people a constituency, and then they hear that this committee, in its wisdom or lack of it, has come up with recommendations to do away with 190 constituencies, wouldn't you think that is disenfranchising our people? And the more practical thing is, in fact, when the boundaries delimitation team is in place, we'll be hearing them. You'll be hearing people saying, we want, because the closer the administration is, the closer the member of parliament is to the people, the MCA, the better it is. Because the maxim, you know, there can be no taxation without representation. And this issue of taxation, I don't know whether you really dealt with it, the high cost of living. Eugene, I'm sure if he gets a time, he'll be able to address you extensively on that. Because you said the role of the MP is to tax and then to collect revenue, tax, and then oversight. This is the ideal situation. So on those 2 points, I really would want to gain your wisdom. And as I said, it's so good to see you again. I was Vice President when you were Attorney General, and clearly this country owes you plenty. I thank you.
Thank you. Kocha, AG, we will ask you to be noting the questions we take around, and you will answer.